Load balancing refers to the practice of distributing traffic across multiple links when forwarding traffic at network nodes. This can increase the total bandwidth of the links and reduce instances of congestion caused by heavy loads on certain links. As the links involved in load balancing form backup relationships with each other, traffic can automatically switch to other available links for continued forwarding in case of failure of one link. This enhances the reliability of the links. Below, we will demonstrate the configuration of this feature using Wamaster's WR315 router as an example. Open your browser and enter the IP address. On the login page, enter your username and password, then click Login to access the device. Click on the Ethernet port menu on the left. Then click on Load Balance. On this page, you can configure the relevant functions of load balancing. Select Enable to activate the load balancing function. From the interface field, you can see that for the WR315 model, it supports up to 3 WAN ports and 2 LTE interfaces for load balancing. Here, WWAN refers to LTE. WWAN1 refers to LTE1, and WWAN2 refers to LTE2. If you need load balancing between WAN and LTE, you need to set the device to router mode. This has been explained in a previous video and will not be reiterated here. Click on Enable or Disable to activate or terminate the load balancing function for the interface. Here, we will set it to Enable. Wait is used to set the load balancing wait for each link. The subsequent parameters such as IP address, interval, etc. are used to monitor the connectivity status of the link. For example, if we set the IP address to 168.95.1.1, it means that a ping will be sent to 168.95.1.1 from the corresponding LTE interface every 3 seconds. The timeout is set to 2 seconds. When 3 consecutive pings fail, the status will be set to offline, indicating that the route for this interface is ineffective. If 3 consecutive pings succeed thereafter, the status will be set to online, indicating that the route for this interface is effective. Click Submit to apply the settings. The above instructions are for configuring load balancing with dual LTE interfaces.